Right. Wait a minute. Like I just took our video off. It connected to Bluetooth on my phone, which I'm doing this video with.
I have to install the app as well.
Install the app. There's an app to install. Yeah. Just get Bluetooth on. Oh, we've got an app. Show me. Sony Sound Connect. Right, okay.
Just wait for that to download.
How long does it take? Should we have a look at the quality? Put that down for a minute. Just show us what you got here. So you've got a bit cushioning at the top.
Yeah, cushioning. Very nice.
Cushioning, very nice, soft. And what about the things? The cushion, nice, very nice. And does it tilt? How much does it tilt? I tilt the other way. What about side to side?
What do you mean?
These bits, do they move side to side a bit? Yeah, you've got a bit of movement there, haven't you? To different shaped head, and you can open it up. Do that again. Do close. Yeah, do okay. So it seems quite quality, solid.
Yes.
Excellent.
Let's see if the app's downloaded. Yes, it is.
App's downloaded. Go next. How much were these?
31.
£31 of Amazon. That's not bad for decent headphones. They look decent as well.
Oh, I just skipped past the tracking, but you can track them as well.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Maybe you should do it so you can track them.
Yeah, I put it.
You put it on, yeah? So you can track them so in case you get stolen.
Mm-hmm.
That's mad. That's crazy. Or you lose them. Not necessarily stolen. Not sure people would necessarily steal. Yeah, but no headphones, I guess, maybe. The instructions are all here. It's probably just self-explanatory stuff. Wireless stereo headphones. Headset. It's called a headset here. Lots of technical stuff here. Just looking at the instructions. All in different languages as usual. Lots of different languages. I'm sure the other sheet, there's a couple of them actually. That's the thing about Sony, do lots of different types. Let me just see if I can find it here. Oh, a European Guarantee Information Booklet. So you want to probably look at, maybe send that off. I think the first on the list.
You can actually test it. Oh, you can test it. Wait.
We're going to test it. Testing it.
Okay. There's 360. So on the box it says 360 audio.
Yeah, what's that mean?
It means you can like hear it in the back of your head and stuff like that.
Oh.
Let's do that.
So here's a reference guide as well.
Oh, that's weird.
Well,
try it. Let me.
Hold it. Hold it like that one. Go on.
Look, I'll play it.
Oh, it's really weird.
That's so weird.
Wait, let me just put it the right. Make sure I get the right way around. It feels like it's behind you.
I know, yeah.
That's so mad. It feels like it's behind you.
I know.
They're really good, and they feel quality. And they're quite light, not heavy or anything either. No. Okay, so we've got some kind of instruction. We've got the instruction booklet, Bluetooth, wireless, reference guide. It's the English version. So, shall we? English? Yeah, it's got some stuff about. There's some information there if you want to look in English. And from the zoom in on these videos there. There's some stuff there.
Probably you meant to like, I don't know what you meant to do, but it's just telling me to.
What's it saying?
It's telling me to. Wait, let's see. It says, if the environment is too bright, too dark, change the. It says, did you remember to remove your earrings? What?
Earrings.
Wait, it says, start. Wait, what? Wait, let me. Prepare to capture your air photos. Move to a bright place. Remove accessories. Why?
Don't know.
enhance your audio experience based on your air shape in 2 steps.
Well, it's okay. You don't really need to do that, do you?
No.
They're saying due to your ear shape, they can change your audio experience. Sounds pretty amazing, but I'm not sure whether it's true.
Turn your head slowly to the right.
Go on. To your right, you nutter.
It is.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay. What?
Turn your head slowly to the left.
Slowly.
Captured photo.
Is it? What's it doing?
It's just done that.
Okay, put it down. It's captured the ears, the ear shape. Yeah, go on.
Save.
That's crazy.
It says it might take about 30 seconds.
So what's it doing now?
I don't know, it's just
Analysing your ear shape may take 30 seconds to take a photo. That's crazy. That is crazy. What's it say now? What's it say now? What's it say now? What's it say now?
which is the lines? What?
Huh?
What should I do here?
Not optimized.
What is that? 360? What? 360 reality audio. What is this? Select an app to optimize with 360 reality audio.
Well, maybe do the top one.
360, yeah.
After you'd optimize it with the actual app, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
It says preparing it. Okay.
After down. Comes. I'll just do it later.
We're gonna do late anyway. Okay. Needless to say, it's pretty fancy, pretty good.
There is. Oh.
Your phone's really good, shouldn't it? Your phone your mum got you.
What is this, man?
Latest audio software. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah. So my device. I can brighten all these stuff with it. I can bass boost.
Oh, right. So
treble
do loads of
boost,
things.
vocal, relax, mellow.
Okay.
That's cool. Okay. It says connected to your devices. Device settings. That's sick. And then that's mine. 100%.
Awesome. Brilliant. 100%. It's already charged up. So you don't charge it. That's brilliant. So what do we say? Is it worth it? Would you recommend it?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good, doesn't it? It sounds really good.
Mm-hmm.
Right, okay, so should we finish then?
Yes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye-bye.